Hello and welcome to Therapy Business School. I need your advice, I need your thoughts, I need your opinions. So is it okay to ask? Let's get into that. Hello and welcome to Therapy Business School. My name is James. I'm an online counsellor, hypnotherapist, life coach, hypnotherapy supervisor. I'm also a podcaster, an author and a YouTuber. So I make these videos to help you either personally, professionally, in your business, whether you're qualified, whether you're a student. But I'm after some help myself, if that's okay. Now, here's the question I've got. I wrote a book a while ago called, in fact I've got it here, called Metaphors and Stories for Therapists. Okay, I talk a lot in stories and metaphors, and it became an Amazon #1 bestseller. Now, someone mentioned that it would be good if I did a course on this, because as well as the physical book, there's also a Kindle version, there's an audio book version as well, and there's a load of metaphors and stories in there to use with your clients. But someone thought it might be a good idea to have a little mini course about this, and that got me thinking, quite possibly. So this question is, do you think that would be something that you'd be interested in yourself? A little mini course, keeping the cost down, where I give more real examples, perhaps real life examples, of metaphors or stories I might use in therapy sessions. Now, the beauty of using a metaphor and a story in a therapy session, or even in the consultation, is it paints this picture, or the client paints a picture for you to understand. And by this picture being painted, then you can see things clearer. Does that make sense? So if this would be of interest to you, please give this video a thumbs up, or please type a yes or even a no in the comments. I'm open to all ideas and thoughts on this, so it's not just only answer if you think yes. If you think yes or no, or other things that if it was created that you'd like in it, if you could put that in the comments below, that'd be really appreciated, because at the moment I'm just putting the feelers out to see whether there's the interest there or not. Now, I know the interest is there because of the book sales, but I wonder if people would want to take a next step and have a little mini course. So a favour from me to you, please, I hope that's all right, and I'll see you on the next episode of Therapy Business School. So this one is only short and sweet. I hope you're having a good one. Bye bye.